Did you know that there are nearly 200,000 first-class seats flying around the world each day? But here's the kicker. The majority of them are not occupied by paying customers. That's right. Airlines often upgrade passengers from economy to first class for a variety of reasons. Now, for most of us, the idea of flying first class sounds like a dream. The plush seats, gourmet meals, and extra legroom are just a few of the perks that make the first class experience so coveted. However, the hefty price tag that comes with it often relegates this dream to the realm of fantasy. But what if there was a way to enjoy the luxuries of first class without burning a hole in your pocket? What if you could get a free upgrade to first class every time you travel? Well, believe it or not, it's not only possible, but it's also more common than you might think. The first step in this journey is to understand why airlines upgrade passengers in the first place. The reasons can range from overbooking to rewarding frequent flyers. Once you understand the why, you can then focus on the how. There are several strategies and insider tips that can increase your chances of getting that coveted upgrade. For instance, being a frequent flyer and showing loyalty to a particular airline can significantly boost your chances. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. Other factors like your attire, your timing, and even your manners can play a crucial role in determining whether you get to swap your economy seat for a first-class one. The key to securing a free upgrade lies in being proactive and taking advantage of opportunities as they arise. This could mean checking in early, volunteering to switch flights when they're overbooked, or even simply being polite and friendly to the airline staff. In summary, getting a free upgrade to first class is not a matter of luck, but a result of understanding the system and using it to your advantage. So the next time you're planning a trip, don't just dream about flying first class, make it a reality. And remember, the sky is not the limit, it's just the beginning. So go ahead, try out these tips on your next flight, and don't forget to share your success stories in the comments section, because the only thing better than flying first class is doing it for free.